What's up guys, Jet Walker here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Carbon Pursuit Headlight Delete in your Gen5 Skidoo. Let's get right into it. First thing we're going to do is remove this glove box lid. To do that, we're just going to pull straight up on it. And it'll pop right off. Just be careful when you're doing that not to pull in any weird direction because you could break these arms off. Now that we've got our glove box off, we can go ahead and remove the side panels. Next, we can remove the hood. So we'll start by loosening up the intake with a Phillips head screwdriver. Now we can remove the 4 T25 bolts, 2 on the front, 1 on each side. Then 2 on top underneath this plastic cover. And we can unplug our gauges. Now we'll just slide the hood right off and bring it over onto the bench. Okay, now that we've got our hood out, we can remove these 4 clips and these 2 8mm bolts to remove this foam heat shield. These clips will just twist right off. They can be a little tricky, so if you need to get them started with some needle nose, you can do that, but they will just twist right off. They are backwards, so it's righty-loosey. Now we can remove our headlight assembly, which is held on by 7 8mm bolts. 2 of them in the back here. 3 across the front, and then 2 in the middle. Now we can cut off these zip ties and unplug our headlight. Now we can set these wires out of our way for a minute and set in our new headlight delete. This delete reuses all of the factory mounting positions, so you're just going to reuse all the same bolts in the same places. Then we'll go ahead and zip tie our wires out of the way. And reinstall our foam heat shield. You can just press these clips straight down to get them back on. And you won't reuse these 2 because the tabs are on the headlight that we just removed. We can put our 2 8mm bolts back in. And our hood is ready to go back on the sled. Now we'll slide our hood on. Just need to make sure these 2 tabs in the front clip into place. Reinstall our T25 bolts. Plug our gauge back in. slide our plastic cover back on, and tighten up our intake. Then we can snap our glove box lid back into place. And last, put our side panels back on. And there you have it, guys. We've got the Carbon Pursuit Headlight Delete installed in our sled. Super quick and easy. You don't need very many tools for it. And it's a great way to shed a little bit of weight and add some style to your sled. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.